Hi guys, so beyond the performance, there are other issues with the Exynos 2200. There's a glitch on the display from the lock screen to when you unlock the device, and the camera performance is pretty bad compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the X-Clips GPU on the Exynos 2200 is quite disappointing. It underperforms compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and consumes more power. But that isn't the only issue. There's a new display glitch that's popping up on the Exynos variant of the S22 Ultra. It mostly happens when you're trying to unlock the device, with a pixelated horizontal line from one end to the other. Now, this is only present on the Exynos S22 Ultra. The Snapdragon variants are totally fine. It also makes the display flicker when you unlock it. So this is most likely an issue with the X-Clips 920 GPU. It doesn't seem to be a hardware issue that will require a change of parts. So Samsung should fix it with a software update pretty soon, which is already adding to the long list of things that should be fixed with the first update. Now, the camera performance is also worse on the Exynos 2200. Golden Reviewer did a video test comparison with two S22 Ultras, one powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the other powered by the Exynos 2200. He also threw in the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the comparison is more between the S22 Ultras. And from the footage, the S22 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 seems to produce much better result. It's a little bit brighter and a little bit sharper than the Exynos 2200 variant. It also has better HDR, but only by a little. Now, the most noticeable difference is in video stabilization. He was just walking and the Exynos 2200 variant of the S22 Ultra was all over the place. It's hard to believe that these are or should be the exact same device. The stabilization from the Exynos 2200 variant is really terrible. And considering they use the exact same components except the processor, this is easily the fault of the image signal processor and the GPU for video recording. Another huge letdown from the X-Clips 920. This is really disappointing, and I feel bad for the people who are gonna get the Exynos variant of the S22 series. Now, this can be fixed with a software update, and it should be, hopefully on the first update. But this shouldn't be happening on a $1,200 device to begin with. It's totally unacceptable. Anyway, despite the issues, the S22 series is selling like hotcakes, and I'll talk about it in the next video. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.